Topher, Mommy said no playing in the dog water. No playing in the dog water. Topher. Topher, Mama said no, no. Topher, are you listening to Mama? It doesn't appear so. Topher, hey, let's go over here and play. Topher. Mama said no, no. No, no. No, no. No, no. Topher, no, no. Man, this kid don't listen. Topher. That is so gross. No, no. Topher. It's gonna be okay. Topher. Oh my God, I'm like dying over here. Topher, you don't listen at all, do you? This thing is so gross. Ew. I'm gonna have to bathe you, son. Topher, let's go play with something else. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. You gonna get it? It's not gonna be easy. Come on, Topher. You want it, you're gonna have to fight for it. You're gonna have to get over that leg. I know, it doesn't seem fair. Hey, Topher. Topher. Are you okay? Are you gonna survive? Mama said that water is dirty. That water is dirty. Ew. No. Ew. Don't put your thumb in your mouth. Look, Lola's here to cheer you up. No.